fucking...
Yeah, we're gonna have to go for a ride in it.
I'll take you for a ride in it. It's all warmed up still right now because I just got home recently.
Is it fast?
It's pretty quick.
I haven't gone in it yet.
You wanna go for a ride now?
Might as well. Yeah, let's go. Yeah. Let me put my beers down.
Makes like... They said they made 220 horse.
How much?
220.
Well, that's not bad. That's basically what the Neon came with, right?
Basically, yeah.
Yeah. They say 250, but it wasn't that.
I don't think this would beat a Neon. I don't think it would.
No.
Maybe...
Who knows? Let's go for a ride and see what it is.
In this form, in the stock SRT?
You need me to move that?
I think I can do it.
Oh, even the doors open nice. That's how a door should open. That reminds me of,
Kind of reminds me of Volvo.
No, my Thunderbird.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, the Ford. Alright. I'm gonna extend this thingy.
I cut out the cats on the Y pipe.
Also, it's a straight pipe almost.
Pretty much straight pipe with 2 resonators.
Yeah.
And
I remember having that with the Neon.
Did a underdrive pulley, a lightweight one. It went from stock almost 8 pounds.
You can get pretty much good money for this car if you wanted to resell. I think you could.
I think I could probably get like maybe 5,000.
What'd you pay for it again?
850.
850 bucks?
Yeah, but I rebuilt the whole motor.
Yeah. And you got it to share. That's cool. That's good.
33 years old.
33?
33 years old.
Oh, damn. And what year is this?